What's up, everybody? It's Don from Speed Trader. I am here once again, video number 4 out of an 8 series with Steve Kalayjian, Chief Market Strategist and co-founder of Ticker Talker. Steve, as per usual, thanks for having me by, man. I really appreciate it.
Great seeing you again, Donnie.
Dude, I got to talk to you today. My perch is a little different than most people. I have an interesting view of folks that come on board. Today, I had an individual who had an account with us a couple weeks ago. It blew up today. Kind of a sad story. It happens every now and again. Let me ask you this. I want to see people be successful. What are tools that every trader needs to have, should have? Carpenter's got a hammer, plumber's got a wrench. What are tools that every single trader should have in their trick bag?
Well, I appreciate that story, and I just want to say that I've been trading for 36 years.
Yeah.
And I traded my own money.
Yeah.
And the last 4 years, I decided to have the vision to build Ticker Talker.
Okay.
The marketplace for novices to the most sophisticated traders. One of the reasons why I got in this is because I was walking with a friend of mine to a very, very big prop firm one day.
Okay.
And I saw a guy, as I was walking by, he was leaning back in his chair.
Yeah.
And the Dow was up about 400 points. It was around 2:15 in the afternoon.
Right.
I stopped while the other guys were walking. I turned to the young man. I said, "How you doing today?" He had 6 monitors, flashing screens, market watch, everything. So I said to him, "How you doing?"
Yeah.
He said, "I haven't done anything." I said, "You mean you just got in?" He said, "No, I've been here since 8 o'clock." So
Jeez.
right off the bat, that was a warning to me that this industry really needed a lot of help.
Yeah.
And with my 36 years experience, well, at the time, it was a lot, maybe 31 years, 30 years ago, 30 years of experience. And so basically I said to myself, I'm going to build something that's going to really revolutionize the trading world. Because I really have a really big passion for this industry. I love it. Every single day is a different day. Every single day you get to challenge yourself. And every day you could do very well.
Yeah.
But the most important tool, as I would say, for every trader.
Okay.
And I love novice guys who's never traded before because I can mold them.
Yeah.
And then I can take the guys who traded, who have succeeded somewhat or failing, and I mold them and I help them because they're willing to listen.
Yeah.
And I even talk to some big hedge fund guys that I bring some, hey, did you ever know if you look at this way? They're like, whoa. So to me, the number one thing for anybody who's going to trade real capital, which I can, I try to use the analogy, everything to baseball. This is the major leagues.
Yeah, sure.
Right? So to me, the number one thing is to have the proper tools.
Okay.
So whether you're scalp trading, day trading, swing trading, position trading, or even long-term investing, to me, you have to have the right tools. So like if I own a gas station and you were my partner and somebody came in with a car and said, hey, I want a new engine, and you hand me a monkey wrench and you hand me a screwdriver, there's no way that engine's coming out. Right? So in my view is that I spent 8 years of my life building what you see here.
Yeah.
I forward tested it, I see the results. To be able to share this with people. Now, I have nothing different than the average person, meaning what you see here, they get. So there's no disadvantage or advantage.
Okay.
So if I'm saying, hey, I'm getting a sell reversal on Facebook, everybody's going to see the exact same thing that I'm seeing because I'm teaching it, I'm showing people, I'm giving them the same tools that they would have on their desktop.
Okay.
So to me, every trader definitely needs to have the proper tools.
Okay.
I feel, being this is my 36th year in the industry, that what I've created here is the right tools, that I'm able to identify trends and reversals and patterns that repeat themselves, whether it's a pattern based upon my way my algorithms line up, which I teach.
Yeah, sure.
And or based upon the way price action sets up. There are times where there's lulls in the market, as today.
Okay.
And I was explaining certain patterns. I said, look to Apple, look to Facebook, look at this pattern. This is a great pattern here. What I've learned in doing this now is the repetition that I constantly preach all day long is really sinking into people.
Okay.
And so that's a good sign.
Right.
That they're seeing what I see.
Okay.
And so to me, I think that I'm not here to bunt. I'm here to move the needle.
Right.
So for me, when you do this for 8 hours in a day, which is it feels like 15 minutes at the end of the day, I guess I really love it.
Right.
I love that it's every single day is a different day. Every single day I get to challenge myself. Every day I can see the consistency. And there's nothing greater at the end of the day than hear where people text me what an impact it's made their lives.
Sure.
I'm not a salesperson. I've traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life, and I love the game that much where at this stage of my life now what I want to do is be able to take the technology and all my years of experience and convert that into people who are willing to learn and can be successful.
Now, what's their starting point? I mean, as a trader, you want to be profitable. Everybody wants to be profitable. How are they going to know what to look for? Can you show me what it is, some of the things that you look for? I mean, can we tie it in?
Yeah, so the algorithm, in this room, you see 41 30-inch monitors, and basically on the bottom of the on the bottom of of the chart is my own proprietary algorithm.
Okay.
So I look at, when I trade in this room, I trade with the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, but my algorithm is mathematics to me. So it's going to tell me which way the markets are going on every time frame.
Okay.
And so to me, again, when you look at this, no study can be added or deleted. I spent 8 years of my life building this, and it gives me the ability to see which way the markets are going visually, so then I know how to trade within the trend using the smaller time frame with the 5-minute time frame. And my trades last anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes, whether it's 1 minute, 1 bar up to 6 bars.
I see.
But again, it's having the proper tools and being able to do this and being able to teach. I have guys now just trading on their own.
Yeah, sure.
Because they've learned it so well and they put their mind to it. It's really about a mindset.
Okay.
It's how bad you want to learn, how bad you really have that desire and passion to really be great.
Okay.
And these stories that you tell me, it's unfortunate because that just ruined my day. And I understand, but the bottom line is that's why I built this platform. That's why I built everything that you see. Now, this was really designed just for me.
Right.
And then a friend of mine, I went to another project to build a piece of software we own a patent on, where you can back test, forward test, do full optimization, and build a strategy without using any lines of code. And now as I was doing that, I was just forward testing and trading and talking to big prop firms, and I saw the results.
Yeah.
Then my friend said to me, Steve, there's a big inefficiency in the marketplace today.
Yeah.
And it made me realize that this is something time to build a platform. So we have raised the money and we did it.
People that are interested in getting in your live room, how do they do it? How do they get into the live room?
So they go to www.tickertalker.com.
Okay.
And you type in code Steve50.
Okay.
And you get a 2-week free trial. And you come in and you'll learn. And I got a 50% coupon off. And if you come in, I'm grandfathering everybody to come into my live room for free, which is normally, I'm telling you, pretty expensive.
Guys, you heard it first. Tickertalker.com. Steve50 is the promo code. You get 2 weeks for free, and then you're also getting a 50% off voucher after that. That, if I did hear you say correctly, is good in perpetuity.
If as a promotion, because I'm launching the platform, anyone who comes on, you pay $80. Again, you get real live market data, and you come into my live room for free. So for $20 a week, which is unheard of, I mean, it's just, I don't know. I did it because I really do care, and I really want to get the multitudes in learning and really getting them in the right track to learn and to start trading effectively.
That's incredible. That is incredible. Guys, again, Don from Speed Trader. I'm here with the co-founder and chief market strategist of TickerTalker.com. Get in that free room. Get it now, right now. Like, put this on pause. Put everything on pause, go to your monitor, get in there right now, and get that free room, all right? And we'll see you down the road. I wish you the best of luck in the markets. Take care.
Thanks, Don.
You got it, man.
Thanks.
Thank you.